Good morning. In this seminar, we are going to see about thermal power plant. In this PPT, we are going to see about introduction, working principle, general layout of thermal power plant, main equipment, advantage disadvantage of the thermal power plant, and then final conclusion. What is thermal power plant? Thermal power plant is a power plant which converts the heat energy of coal into electrical energy. The coal is burnt in a boiler which converts the water into steam. Then the steam was used to run the turbine and ultimately the electricity was produced. In India, thermal power plant constitute 75.43% of total installed capacity or non-competitive power generation. In thermal power station, the primary source of the energy was coal, oil, natural gas, etc. What is the working principle? The first the water was taken from the water was taken into the boiler, and then was heated with the help of coal. When the temperature increased, the water was converted into steam. Then the steam was allowed to run the turbine. When the turbine rotates, it was connected to the generator, which produced the electricity. This was the general layout of the thermal power plant. The main components used was boiler. Boiler will send the steam to the turbine. Turbine was connected to the generator which produces electricity. Then in condenser, the steam was converted into the water. Then it was again sent to the boiler with the help of water pump. The main components were coal handling plant, pulverizing plant, boiler, turbine, condenser, cooling tower and pumps, feeding water heater, economizer, and air preheater. The first is coal handling plant. The coal was transported to the power station with the help of rail or road. Thermal power plant burns enormous amount of coal. Generally, 200 megawatt power plant may require around 2000 tons of coal daily. In modern power plant, coal is pulverized. Pulverized. It was done to expose the large surface area to the action of oxygen and consequently helping combustion. Pulverization can be done in three stages such as feeding, drying, grinding. Boiler. The function of boiler is to generate the steam at the desired pressure and temperature by transferring heat produced by the burning of fuel in the furnace to change water into heat. The turbine was used to produce the electricity. Generally, three turbines are used to increase the efficiency of the power plant. They are high pressure turbine, intermediate pressure turbine, low pressure turbine. The condenser was used to convert the steam into water. In this, the cooling water was flow through the tubes, and then steam was converted into the water with the help of that cooling water. What is a cooling tower and pumps? A condenser needs huge amount of water to condense the steam. Most plant use cooled cooling system where warm water coming from the condenser is cooled and reused. Cooling tower is made up of it was made up of steel or concrete hyperbolic structure with height of 150 meter. In thermal power plant, feed water heater was used. It was used to improve the overall plant efficiency. Thermal stress due to cold water entering the boiler drum was avoided. Through feed water heater, the quality of steam produced by the boiler is increased. What is economizer was also used in the power plant. It was used to why it was used was flue gas coming out of boiler carry large carry a lot of heat. An economizer extract a part of this heat from the flue gases and uses it for heating the feed water. It was used to mainly used to save the coal consumption and higher boiler efficiency. The function of the air preheater is to preheat the air before entering to the furnace by utilizing some of the energy left in the flue gases before exhausting them to the atmosphere. Cooling of flue gas by 20 degrees centigrade increase the power plant by 1%. Finally, the advantages, you will see the advantage and disadvantage of the power plant. What is the advantage means the fuel use is quite cheap, less initial cost as compared to the other generating stations. It can be installed at any place irrespective of the existence of the coal. The coal can be transported to the site of the plant by rail or roads. This disadvantage may be it pollutes the air atmosphere due to producing large amount of smoke and fumes, higher maintenance cost and operation cost. It requires huge requirement of water. Thank you.